respected NIMSME Madam and Swarupa Madam and R.K. Mehta ji and Ravindra Reddy garu on the dais and all the friends here. Actually, they are called Biochar Crusaders, madam. That's how Mehta ji started a movement. So it's a black revolution happening already, and we had our first inaugural meeting here only. We were not there. We missed. So this, I think this movement, especially women enterprises, as Mr. Madam has said, so within 5 years, 1 million women can be, with new technology and biochar, we can empower them. Right from addressing climate change to day-to-day household, everything, because it adds value even for environmental, sanitation, health, everything, including ornaments also. So we have already demonstration where 1 kg of biochar can be made 10,000 rupees worth also by converting into products. So that way application to soil is a broader spectrum that we are looking at. But beyond that, for me in the last just 3 months, across India about 5 states had been training on biochar, right from Uttarakhand to Karnataka as of now. So this thing is expanding, the demand is coming, and even TSFDC is far ahead in the trials and adaptation as a government. So here I think everybody as a group, we have come here, more than 80 people are here, sir, very actively they are participating in these things, and they are adopting and practicing also. So we thank each and everyone, and stay here for listening to others also, and we'll have demonstrations too. Thank you.